This isn't where you get younger skin, this is.
Everything that you eat shows up on your face.
Food can be a facial disaster or face fixer if you know what you're stuffing in your mouth. Dr. Nigma Talib, author of Younger Skin Starts in the Gut, revealing how to eat your way younger. Her A-list clientele proof positive it works. The program, a 4-week plan to eliminate skin aging triggers like sugar.
Not only does it spike up your blood sugar, but it also messes up your adrenal function and it causes your skin to sag. So think sugar equals skin sagging.
The other major offenders you have to cut out? Dairy, which she says causes.
You get the puffiness and the darkness around the eyes. So there's like kind of a dairy face and quite often breakouts around the chin.
Instead, get your calcium from foods like chickpeas and sesame. Eliminate gluten, which will inflame your gut.
And guess what? It shows up on your skin and it shows up as sort of like you've gained weight, kind of that puffiness.
And no whining, but wine is a no-no during her 4-week plan. It dehydrates the skin and acts like sugar.
There's so many good things you can have. So instead of looking at what you can't have, look at what you can have.
Dr. Nigma says the better you eat, the more effective your skincare routine. She recommends the Fire and Ice Facial. 4 Seasons esthetician May Bumgartner using Is Clinical products, telling us how it works.
It refines the skin, it retexturizes your skin, gets rid of all the dead skin that's just sitting on the surface, and it's gonna plump everything up.
And we've spoken about the things we shouldn't be eating and drinking.
Yes.
What about the things we should be eating?
I'm so glad you asked that question. So there's so many things we can eat. Everybody knows quinoa. Quinoa is a really good source of protein. We have sweet potatoes, which are rich in vitamin A. I'm not saying to not have carbs. Carbs are very good for you. It's just choosing the good carbs. Legumes, kidney beans, and chickpeas, and sesame. Those are really rich in calcium if you're avoiding dairy, for example. Eating sources high in fish, because fish is gonna help lubricate the skin with the omega-3s. So there are a ton of foods you can. There's more foods that you can eat, Terry, than what I'm saying not to eat.